education and learning. That's me.
Lalaro tayo ng Buddies Games.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the three questions correctly and you're doing fantastic. Problem 2.
One, guys.
Good one. Problem 3. 3 minus 1. You're doing fantastic.
Wait lang guys,
You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. 4 minus 1. You're doing fantastic.
Okay guys.
You're doing fantastic. Problem 3. Plus times equals.
Wait lang, ulitin natin guys. Cut ko muna. So ito na guys, yung tanong dito, ang gulo-gulo. Ito, may gagawin ako. Yan. Nasira natin yung game. Dito muna nagtatapos ha. Hindi ko na anak kung paano gumalaw dito. Ayun, pinipindot ko lahat. Ano to? May mga ano dito. Sinusundan ako. Sinusundan ako dito. Ano yan? Sinusundan. Nasaan ka ba? Sino ba yun? Yan. Grabe. Nasira natin yung game. So, bye-bye guys. Dito na muna siguro nagtatapos ang video.